Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we dive deep into the best products on the market to help you make smarter choices. Today, we're looking at the best kombucha starter kit out there, the Deluxe Organic Kombucha Starter Kit by the Kombucha Shop. If you've ever thought about brewing kombucha at home but didn't know where to start, this kit is a total game changer. Let's break it down. First off, what makes this the best? It's all about completeness, quality, and ease of use. This isn't just a starter jar and some vague instructions, it's a full brewing and bottling setup. You're getting everything you need in one box, which is awesome for beginners and still plenty solid for someone with a few brews under their belt. Inside the box, you get 6 16-ounce swing top bottles. These bottles are thick, durable, and they've got strong gaskets, so they're perfect for getting that fizzy, carbonated finish that kombucha lovers chase after. Plus, they're reusable, so once you've got your system down, you're set for round after round of brewing. Now, bottling kombucha can be a bit of a mess without the right tools, but this kit has you covered. There's a custom bottle brush that's bendable and specifically designed to get into every corner of those swing top bottles. Seriously, it's one of those little things that makes cleanup way less of a chore. And to keep things clean and spill-free, you've also got a stainless steel funnel and strainer set included. It's sturdy, easy to clean, and it just makes the whole process smooth. At the heart of the kit is the 1-gallon brewing setup. That includes the classic glass brew jar, along with a cotton cover, rubber band, temperature gauge, and all the key ingredients to start your first batch. You're getting organic cane sugar, organic loose leaf black and oolong tea, a live kombucha culture, also known as a SCOBY, and the liquid starter you need to get things fermenting properly. Brewing kombucha can feel intimidating if you're new, but this kit totally takes the guesswork out of it. It comes with a detailed step-by-step instruction guide plus a post-brewing guide to help you through the bottling and flavoring stages. There are even pH test strips and a pipette so you can monitor the fermentation process with confidence. And the wet erase marker is a nice touch, super useful for labeling your batches and noting when you started brewing. What's also worth noting is that this is a product from a small business. You can tell a lot of thought went into how this kit is put together, from the custom-sized tools to the clear, friendly instructions. It's designed to help you succeed, not just throw a bunch of supplies at you. Size-wise, the entire kit comes in at 17.6 by 7.8 by 11.5 inches and weighs about 11 pounds, so it's compact enough to store in a kitchen cabinet when you're not actively brewing. So whether you're trying kombucha for health benefits, taste, or just to try something new and fun at home, the Deluxe Organic Kombucha Starter Kit by the Kombucha Shop is easily one of the most complete and beginner-friendly options on the market. It's practical, well thought out, and honestly, a really fun way to get into home fermentation. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you're into kombucha, home brewing, or just cool kitchen tools, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more honest breakdowns and reviews. Drop a comment below if you've tried this kit or if you've got questions before diving in yourself. See you in the next one.